chicken nuggets.
Hello family and friends, my name is Janelle and welcome back to another video. So this video, I don't really know what to call it because I don't really want to say that it's a tutorial, but your girl is doing micro locks. Okay, I'm doing micro locks. I am done with dealing with my loose natural hair. Okay, I love my loose natural hair, don't get it twisted, but I'm ready to lock up. And believe it or not, this is actually my second time locking up. I didn't record it, I didn't document it or anything like that. If I can, I'll insert some pictures in here. I didn't take much. I think I only have two, literally. But yeah, this is my second time. After I locked my hair the first time, I literally took it out pretty quick, and then I permed my hair right after. Don't ask me why I did that. That was so stupid. But after I did that, basically I realized right away that that was the biggest mistake. But y'all know how permed hair is, it's permanent. So I had to wait to grow my hair out all the way back again. So this year, October, I believe, is when I hit a year of being natural. I think that's true. If I get it wrong, I'll come back and correct myself. But I believe that October made a year of me being natural. So I decided to lock up. I told myself that once I hit the year mark, I'm gonna lock up again and I'm gonna keep it. I decided to document it this time. This time I actually decided to do a parting grid. This is the one that I was following throughout this video, but I did realize pretty quickly after that me and this girl do not have the same hair size. So that's all I gotta say about that. So I did have to go ahead and be a little bit more creative on my head and just figure out what works best for me, what is to my liking, and this is the part grid that I came up with. So the reason why I went with this pattern is because I really wanted to be able to do a middle part, a side part on each side, and I just felt like this made more sense. It gave me more versatile, more variety, and I was pretty happy with this. I didn't want to go too small, but I did feel like I went as small as I can go. In my opinion, I believe that if you start out smaller, it's better, because if you do them a little bit too big and then once you're done with your whole head and you don't like it, there's really nothing you can do. But if you start out smaller and you want to go a little bit bigger, you can kind of just interlock them together and then get to the size that you're hoping to get to. So I think it makes more sense to start out smaller. So yeah, this is the smallest that I was willing to do. But yeah, so far I'm tackling the hardest part first. So I felt like the front part was the hardest part, and I feel like you do your best when you first begin. So I wanted to do my best on my front, and then when I get a little tired and over it, that could be the back. And also, you guys, I'm really not trying to get these parts super crisp. I'm literally just doing the best that I can. I've never been good at parting my hair, so this is the best that I can do. I literally gave it my all, so hey, this is what I got. So as you're going to see in the description, this is part 1. So basically what I'm doing right here is what you would consider a mini twist. I'm just going through the process of twisting them first. Then I'm going to take a little break. And then I'm going to go ahead and interlock them. But that's going to be in part 2. So y'all keep a lookout for that one. I did notice that I didn't show what products I used. You guys, I really kept it really simple. I didn't go out and buy anything for this. I literally just used some like leftover edge control that I had laying around. And yeah. And you guys also please excuse the camera quality. I literally was going back and forth with my phone and my camera. I was using my phone first, but the storage just like filled up really fast and it wouldn't let me record anything anymore. So then I had to go ahead and use my camera, which I hadn't really gotten into the habit of using yet, so I didn't even really know how to work it, to be honest. But I'm glad I did, because you'll see towards the end of the video, like the camera video quality was a lot better. It was a lot better. So right now I'm using my phone, but you can see the difference, to be honest. It's not bad, but you can see the difference. You guys, I was so tired. I woke up early in the morning to do this. You can kind of see it all over my face. I was really trying to get this done. I really had in my mind set that if you don't keep going, it's not going to get done. So I knew that if I took too many breaks, it was just going to prolong the situation. So I was like, just get to work and get it done. And y'all, I got it done. And you guys, I have seen videos in the past of girls who started the micro locks that maybe started it at home. They would usually blow dry their hair, or like blow dry their hair pretty straight and then go ahead and do it. I don't know if that would have made this easier or not, but I didn't do that. So if you are looking to start your own micro locks and you want to do it yourself, probably blow your hair out. Maybe it'll make it easier. I haven't went to a professional to do it or asked a professional about it, but I think they might blow out your hair to make it easier. So, but I'm not a professional, so I just did it the way that I felt like doing it. And you guys, I did run out of my edge control cream, and I had to go and purchase some type of I'm not gonna say cream, but you know, more like a what you call it, paste wax. You guys, to be honest, I cannot believe I did this again. Like, you do not understand how much I hate sitting there doing box braids. Like, I really don't like it. But yeah, once I had the energy, I had to just go for it. Look at my babies. That's my husband. That's my daughter. And I don't know if my son is in this video. He was taking a bath, so I had to like cut him out because I don't need, showing my son all on the internet. But he was in it. That's who I'm talking to right now, my little 6-year-old. And I'm in his bathroom too now. I had to go between 2 mirrors. And those of you who want to know, my daughter is 3 months. So I am 3 months postpartum. Yep, that's it. No more. I really had used a lot of the product on there. I probably used more than I should. And then I had to go in with some Eco Styler gel to finish off the rest, which I didn't show, but it's a clear one, you guys, just a clear one. There's my son right there. That's my baby. My family was so supportive. This took me about like 3 days, to be honest. Like 3 days, morning and night. And I had to do this in like the middle of taking my son to soccer practice and going to work, all that. But we got it done. So you guys, this is the rest I have left, and I did go and do it off camera. This is the final result, you guys. I am so happy with it. I'm satisfied. I love how it came out. I feel like I chose the right pattern for my hair. I did what works for me. And I feel like I could work with this. This is better than the first time I did it. So yeah, you guys, let me know in the comments if you are interested in doing micro locks or anything like that, and I will see you in my next video.